What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Gala game, sitting at 0.0134, coming down to our targets, up 0.23 on the day. Same market cap of 326, man. 24-hour volume, 30 million. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much. I really appreciate it. All right, so I still think we'll see one more low, at least to the 50% retracement at 0.01244, because it just looks like a 1, 2, 3. So you'd need one more low. We have done everything we need to. We can reverse at any time, but with the micro count, I am expecting one more low. And when we start to break out, you can see we're starting to create a bullish divergence on the RSI. So we're creating lower lows, higher lows on the RSI. Let's take a look at the money flow index. Hope everyone's doing well. Happy Monday. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations, as that's very important. And money's flowing back in as price is falling. So I do think turnaround is near, even if we break a little bit lower. So micro count expecting at least one more lower low, 0.01244. Possibly the 618 at 0.01184. Worst case scenario, come down and test the support of this wedge at about 0.0099 or 0.0098. And then bounce. Once we start to break out of this wedge, that will be a massive trade back to the upside. And a signal will be given in the Discord for only $10 a month. If you want a 14-day free trial, you can sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. If you deposit $100, that's free $20. $1,000, that's free $200. Really can't beat it. And you get the 14-day free trial. Otherwise, my Discord is $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. I spend $10 every single day. Daily crypto analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all place. Forex signals analysis. We have quite a few Forex setups waiting to go. And we're in a silver trade for silver and gold. So all links are down below in the comments. Make sure to check them out. Smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.